One of the areas of law that we practice at Preszler Law is product liability. What is a product liability claim? Well, that's a case when somebody's injured because of a defective product. So the product doesn't work, blows up, causes some kind of injury. In Alberta, product liability claims are governed by the Sale of Goods Act. What that means is by law, products that are being sold have to be reasonably fit for use. For example, if you have a product that explodes, obviously it's not reasonably fit for use. Products shouldn't be doing that. If you have a product that doesn't work, obviously it's not reasonably fit for use. It shouldn't be doing that. Product liability claims are generally made against two parties. Generally, it's the person who sold the defective product. It can also be the person who manufactured the defective product. But generally you have two claims for the sale as well as for the defect itself. Because of the Sale of Goods Act, these cases are usually also strict liability, meaning if you can prove that the product is not reasonably fit for use, you generally have a claim. The difficult part is that it can be often very difficult to prove there was something wrong with the product. You need to make sure that you keep the product. You need to make sure that it's preserved so that it can be potentially tested by engineers. And then if you prove that there is in fact a defective product that caused your injuries, we need to figure out what's compensation that is reasonably available for you. Well, generally speaking, you're going to get pain and suffering damages. That takes into account the ways your life changed, the pain that's been added to your life, and the things that have been taken away from your life. You're also entitled to income loss. So if you can't work, we can't work in the same way, or you lose income for some reason because of your injuries, you can generally seek that back, as well as medical expenses. If you need to attend treatment now or in the future, you shouldn't be paying for that. That's something that should be covered by your claim. If you have questions about a defective product or a product that's injured you, call Preszler Law today.